Hey, Kuptonian here, and welcome back to the channel. A friend requested I install one of, if not the best tempered glass screen protector you can get for your phone, if available, and that is this Whitestone Dome Glass Premium Screen Protector. And the phone I'll be installing it on is his new Pixel 7 Pro. Let's check out what comes in the box. It comes with this USB Type-C powered UV light to cure the adhesive, 3 tubes of adhesive, the screen drop pull tab, cleaning wipes, dust removing stickers, drying/polishing cloths, adhesive overflow absorbers, the phone jig and adhesive holder bridge, the pull tab support, 2 top speaker protective stickers, 2 sets of 4 button and port protective stickers, 2 dome glass screen protectors, the installation guide, and 1 adhesive plastic protector for the camera bump/housing. First, clean the phone with one of the included cleaning wipes. Next, dry it with the drying/polishing cloth. Next, apply the button and port protective stickers to all sides of the phone to protect from adhesive overflow from seeping in. Give the phone another good wipe down. Next, place the adhesive overflow absorbers into the left and right side of the jig. Pop the pull tab support onto the top of the jig. And pop the Pixel 7 Pro into the jig, being careful not to touch the screen. Apply the top speaker protective sticker over the pull tab support and be sure it sticks to and covers the top speaker slit. Go ahead and insert the pull tab through its support. Use the dust absorbing stickers to remove any particles that may have fallen onto the screen. Next, attach the adhesive holder bridge to the jig. Then open the pink end of the adhesive tube, open the other end and allow 5 to 10 seconds for the adhesive to flow out. Remove the adhesive holder bridge. Push the pull tab all the way in. Remove the protective film from the dome glass screen protector and place it in the jig with the top edge resting on the pull tab. If your work surface is level, push down on the bottom middle of the jig, or in my case if being unleveled, lift slightly to let the adhesive flow down until it touches the screen protector right around the center of the phone. Then, immediately pull out the tab to let the screen protector fall onto the phone. Let the adhesive spread for 1 to 3 minutes and visually inspect for full coverage. Plug the UV light into a USB-C charger or power bank, then position it at the bottom of the phone and press the button once to cure for 15 seconds and repeat for the top and middle of the phone. Finally, run another cure cycle for 60 seconds, this time by pressing the button twice, repeating this again for the bottom, top, and middle of the phone. Now, pop the phone out of the jig. Give the phone a quick wipe around the edges to clean up excess adhesive. Remove the protective stickers. Finally, give the phone a final wipe down and take a second to awe at the beauty. Now, even though the adhesive is cured with the UV light, give it a full 24 hours before being too rough with it to ensure a great bond. Otherwise, the installation's complete. I didn't install the adhesive plastic protector for the camera bump because early reviews show the edges don't adhere well. Plus, this area will be protected by a slim case that my friend already has for his phone. Have you used this brand and process to protect your phone screen? Do you suggest a better alternative? Leave a comment down below. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.